A smoking car alternator is a serious automotive emergency that demands immediate attention. When you see smoke coming from your alternator, it indicates significant internal problems that could lead to complete electrical system failure or even fire. To understand why alternators smoke, we need to examine their internal structure. Modern alternators contain complex electrical components including stator windings, rotor assemblies, carbon brushes, and voltage regulators that work together to generate electricity. The primary cause of alternator smoking is overheating due to excessive electrical demand. When your vehicle's electrical systems draw more power than the alternator can safely provide, the internal components overheat and begin to smoke. Internal component failure is another major cause. Worn carbon brushes create excessive friction and heat, while shorted stator windings or failed diodes can cause dangerous electrical arcing and overheating within the alternator housing. External factors also contribute to alternator smoking. A loose or damaged drive belt causes slippage and overheating, while corroded electrical connections create resistance that generates excessive heat. Oil or coolant contamination can also cause internal components to fail. Recognizing the warning signs is crucial for preventing catastrophic failure. Watch for white, gray, or black smoke from the alternator area, accompanied by a distinct burning electrical smell. Your dashboard may show dimming lights and battery warning indicators. Modern alternators from 2023 to 2025 feature smart technology that adjusts output based on electrical demand, improved heat dissipation systems, and enhanced diagnostic capabilities. However, even these advanced systems can fail when overloaded or improperly maintained. Remember, a smoking alternator requires immediate action. Stop driving immediately when you notice smoke, as continued operation can lead to complete electrical failure, engine damage, or even fire. Prompt attention to these warning signs is essential for your safety and vehicle protection. When you observe smoke coming from your alternator, immediate action is critical for your safety and to prevent further damage to your vehicle. First, stop driving immediately. Pull over safely and turn off the engine. Do not continue driving, as this can cause catastrophic damage or even fire. Allow the engine to cool for at least 30 minutes. This cooling period is essential before you can safely inspect the alternator or perform any diagnostic work. Next, you must disconnect the battery to prevent electrical hazards during your inspection. Disconnecting the battery negative terminal is crucial for safety. This prevents any electrical current from flowing while you inspect the alternator system. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. This sequence prevents accidental short circuits during the disconnection process. Now you can safely perform a visual inspection of the alternator and surrounding components. Visual inspection involves checking several key components. Look for visible damage to the alternator housing, burnt wiring, or any signs of overheating. Check the drive belt tension and condition. A loose belt can cause slippage and overheating, while a damaged belt needs immediate replacement. After visual inspection, you need to test the alternator's electrical output using a multimeter. Use a multimeter to test the alternator's voltage output. With the engine running at idle, the voltage should read between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Normal voltage range is 13.5 to 14.5 volts at idle. Readings outside this range indicate alternator problems that require immediate attention. When an alternator is smoking, complete replacement is almost always necessary. Smoking indicates severe internal damage that cannot be repaired. A smoking alternator requires complete replacement. The internal damage that causes smoking is typically too severe for repair and poses ongoing safety risks. Consider cost-effective options like remanufactured units, which offer 30 to 50% savings with 2-year warranties. Core exchange programs can provide additional savings. Prevention is always better than replacement. Regular maintenance and proper care can significantly extend alternator life and prevent smoking incidents. Implement a regular maintenance schedule with inspections every 15,000 miles. Manage electrical load by avoiding excessive aftermarket accessories that can overload the alternator. Keep the alternator clean and free from oil, coolant, and debris contamination. Annual professional electrical system checks cost around $50, but can prevent $600 replacements. Remember, when dealing with a smoking alternator, safety comes first. Stop immediately, allow cooling, disconnect the battery, and seek professional help for replacement.